Alright, so we all know Excel is a powerhouse, but what if I told you it could be even more powerful? Like seriously, with the right add-ins, Excel becomes this crazy productivity machine. It's like having a personal assistant, except this one doesn't complain, doesn't take days off, and works 24/7. Plus, it can analyze massive amounts of data, build reports in seconds, and automate tasks that would normally take hours. And guess what? It does all this without breaking a sweat. In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 game-changing Excel add-ins that are like magic for your productivity. They're super useful whether you're crunching numbers, building reports, or just trying to automate your workflow. And here's the best part. These tools are perfect for people who don't have time to waste. They're fast, efficient, and easy to use. Even if you're not a tech wizard, you'll be able to use them like a pro in no time. So if you're ready to take your Excel game to the next level, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have tools that will make you look like an Excel superhero in front of your colleagues. You can download all these add-ins from the website. You just need an account, and then you can get all these add-ins for free. So let's start with add-in No. 1. Sort by column. This is like having a personal assistant for your data. Suppose you have a massive Excel sheet with tons of data, and you need to sort it by different columns. With this add-in, it's just a click away. Just select the column you want to sort by, click on the add-in, and voila! Done. It's that simple. Add-in No. 2. Unique values. Now let's say you have a big list and you want to pull out all the unique values. For example, if you have a column with names, this tool will help you get a list of all the unique names without any duplicates. It's super handy for cleaning up data and getting those perfect lists. add-in No. 3. Remove duplicates. This one is a lifesaver when you have a bunch of data and you want to remove any duplicate entries. It's super easy to use. Select your dataset, click on the add-in, and in a flash, you'll have a sheet with only unique rows. It's like having a personal data cleaner. Add-in number 4. Text to columns. With this add-in, you can convert text in multiple columns into individual cells. For example, if you have a name in one cell and you want to split it into separate cells for first name, middle name, and last name, this tool makes it super easy. Just select your text, click on the add-in, and define what kind of data you have. In this case, it's names, then click OK, and voila, it splits everything for you. Add-in No. 5. Power Query Editor. Now this one is like a Swiss Army knife for data. With Power Query Editor, you can connect Excel to various data sources like websites, apps, and databases. You can pull in real-time data and refresh it whenever you need it. It's like having a live data connection. To use it, go to Data, get data from web or database, and select your data source. Then choose the table or data you want and click on OK. And now you can see the live data in your Excel sheet. And there you have it, folks. These add-ins are like secret weapons for Excel, making your work faster and easier. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy Excelling!